Now we're going to show you how to use the chat box to open links from your teacher and to send messages. So in the middle of the screen at the bottom, there's a chat window. I've sent you a link to the whiteboard from the class. Open the chat, copy and paste the link into your browser to open the whiteboard.
Okay, I got it.
I got it as well.
So these are the notes for the class today. In the chat, you can also type a message to everyone in the class or a private message just to your teacher if you have a question about something, for example.